And the Undertaker, I believe his back did not allow him to get Edge off the mat. It may have
allowed him a huge victory and to stop the streak.
Oh no.
Oh my goodness. Oh, and now referee Jimmy Corderas is right out there. Wow.
Absolutely.
Oh my goodness. Continue.
What does the rated R superstar have in mind at this juncture? Edge, but the roles have been reversed.
Here it is again.
By the champion, hooks the leg and Undertaker. If Edge does indeed have the Undertaker's number, the Phenom has never defeated Edge. The torque in that leg affecting the back. And look how the champion has his knee. Undertaker needs to get to a bottom rope to break this hold.
Well, I think you've got to imagine going through the head of draw on those experiences.
Wearing down the Undertaker. And Undertaker has countered. Shoulders down.
And that
steel cage match with Batista, and then was assaulted by Mark Henry, and Edge would Batista to retain the title. And then with the help of his buddies at Armageddon, Edge stole the world. Just a couple of weeks ago, Edge with that qeybta to Undertaker in the ring. Look at Edge standing toe-to-toe with the Phenom.
Well, the Undertaker's always been a tremendous... Oh, this is tremendous, Michael.
Perhaps the best pure striker in the history of sports entertainment is unloading. And you feel momentum beginning to shift a bit. Snake eyes. Oh, here we go. Edge countered. It's countered.
It's doing the homework. It's doing the homework.
Well, Undertaker.
Got him up.
Again a counter. At 2.5, the streak was almost over, almost ended. Feat, a legendary feat. If Edge is able to defeat The Undertaker here on the grandest stage of all, the world title may be coming to the dead man. Got it. How could Edge have kicked out of that choke slam? It has been counter after counter after.
Championship is on the line.
Edge countered again, old school. Does have The Undertaker's number. Perhaps The Undertaker cannot defeat Edge. He never had. Oh no, top rope.
Oh,
Superplex. And crawls to the cover, hooks the leg. The streak is over, no.
Amazing to watch how much these two men have inside.
Edge said tonight was the opportunity.
The Undertaker somehow getting back to his feet yet again.
9 world titles between these two men. Look at this. Edge countered the last right again. Counter by Edge.
Ever had a man compete?
Edge up top. This could be Edge's last ride.
Michael,
he does. A new world champion in Orlando. Well, this may be what the Undertaker has to do.
Michael
calls for the tombstone pile driver.
He's got Edge up.
Edge countered that again.
That's exactly what it is. Frustration, time and time again. Neither man.
Edge is countered or kicked out of the choke slam, the last ride.
For yet again.
This time, school is in session. Kick, but it connected inadvertently with referee Jimmy Corderas. And Edge planting.
Michael, Edge has The Undertaker right where he wants him.
It ends. It ends, dead man. It ends.
And at this point, Michael, you'd have to wonder if indeed Edge has The Undertaker's number.
Oh, no. Undertaker oblivious. He shades a survivor.
He's measured The Undertaker.
Trying to get the referee to come to if he has any chance right here to take advantage of the situation. Still has life.
Edge has tried everything. Absolutely everything.
And Undertaker. Edge, was he going for the tombstone? Pile driver. Rest in peace, Edge. Rest in.
We're going to see a new champion. The streak is going to live.
And here comes the referee, Charles Robb. There's 1 and 2. A new champion. Edge kicked out.
As he possibly could.
If he was 2 steps quicker, we would have had a new champion. And that I wonder when they were going to show up. Edge.
Oh, spear! Spear!
A spear by Undertaker kicked out.
Is still alive.
I asked the question before, how does Undertaker beat Edge? I must ask the question.
It's on their feet. Spear again! Spear again!
And
This might be it!
Taking out so many men.
Can Edge get to the ropes?
The champion's been thrown away. A foot away from the rope. And he taps out. The Undertaker.
I can't.
The dead man has risen.
Hello guys and welcome to Blitz HD. Welcome to this WWE 2K19 gameplay, and the big superstars for today, it will be the big dog Roman Reigns versus the newbie Drew Gulak. Okay guys, let us see who will win this match at the Extreme Rules. Okay, the match is starting, and the big dog shows his supremacy, shows that he is the best around here.
And this is one of those matches where it's hard to believe we get paid for this.
A big knee in the face. And a big foot now, destroying Drew Gulak. And another one. Okay, let's go for some elbow drops. Leg drop. Another elbow drop.
It looks to me like he still has plenty of energy in that body of his. I wouldn't look too much into this right now.
He's looking a little off balance. This may very well be one of his toughest challenges in a very long time.
This match is trending in a bad direction for him right now, guys. He's going to want to make some changes if he wants to stay in it. You know, I thought this match...
Okay guys, the Superman punch. It is the time, and a big punch in the face. And now let's go for the spear in full power. Bam! The big dog just destroyed Drew Gulak. Look at the replay. Full power spear, no chance for Drew Gulak. Let us see the referee pin. 1, 2, and 3. No chance about it. The big dog Roman Reigns is the winner at this Extreme Rules match. A fantastic win for the big dog, totally deserved. And this is it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and for more content like this, subscribe to Blitz HD. I will see you on my future uploads. Goodbye.